You guys asked for it, let's make the world's whitest slime.
First, we take our clear slime base and add some of our white pigment followed by a swirl of the whitest dye we could find. Afterward, we add in all of our white female slices and sprinkles we have on hand. Next, we added some white rice charms followed by a whole assortment of our white charms. Time for our final plunge! The white pigment turned this clear slime way whiter than we thought. The final result is so calming and fun to play with. It's great for squishes and pokes and was a ton of fun to make. We're so glad you guys love our color mixing series, and let us know if there are any other colors you'd like us to mix in the comments below.